Does anyone know why Chick-fil-A took this off the menu? Okay, Adorners, so as you can see, you saw the ingredients. And so for our carrot raisin salad, and so I have some lemons that I picked off the tree this morning, yay. And this is just to keep our carrots from turning brown, if you will. Have our shredded carrots. I have something a little different. I have a yolk pecan and nut smoothie, and I'm gonna add a little mayo. Make this as a quick side. This is for the end of the summer, and I think it's gonna be really great. As a side, beauty break. So I am wearing today a tinted moisturizer in medium deep from Avon, and as well as I am wearing a wild cherry lipstick. So just FYI. Anyway, let me get started and I'll be right back. Okay, as I said, so I have some dried cranberries. I'm gonna go ahead and add in our shredded carrots. I'm gonna leave some for another project I'm gonna do tomorrow. I had about 2/3 of the bag, okay, for shredded carrots. You can shred your own carrots if you wanted to, but I was like, shoot, I have so much to do today. All right, so I'm adding in some crushed pineapple. I probably will add in some of the juice. I'm gonna do 5 pretty much tablespoons or teaspoons, tablespoons basically. A little bit of juice, let me just add it in. Right, any kind of crushed pineapple is up to you. One of my favorite old school side dishes, you know, if you ever go to one of those cafeteria places with your grandma, or if you did Luby's or Wyatt's or any of those kind of things. Okay, as you can see, pecan, this is a pecan and nut smoothie. It's yogurt, okay? So, you know, I'm trying to watch my cholesterol. Apparently my blood pressure is too high. Probably from eating those pork chops the other day. Okay, so I'm gonna add in about 1/3 of this. And I'm just gonna mix it. All right, mix it up really good. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I've squirted in a little lemon juice, fresh lemon. And if you're like me, this used to be one of my most favorite sides from Chick-fil-A. And they stopped making it for some reason. So I've added a little mayo. Let's give it a little taste here. Here I am. That's really good. Okay, so I have a nicer bowl that I'm gonna add this to for purposes of the video. I'll be right back. All right, Adorners, so that is our pretty much copycat Chick-fil-A, old school Chick-fil-A side carrot raisin salad. But this is actually done with cranberries. And like I said, I used yogurt instead of mayo. I did add a little mayo to this, just a little, if you're watching your cholesterol or whatever. A little lemon. This is really a fresh side salad. I'm gonna have this with some chicken from the air fryer, and I'll be right back. So I added in just a little bit more pineapple to this, and this would be a really great side to take to barbecue or anything like that. If that's something that you think people would like. This is something I like. I used to like, now it's back for me. Anyway, as I said, gonna enjoy having this. I have some air fryer chicken that I made actually yesterday. I'm gonna heat that up really quickly and pair it with this carrot raisin salad, carrot cranberry salad instead of raisins. And pineapple, such a nice, refreshing kind of treat. Anyway, does anyone know why Chick-fil-A took this off the menu? Okay, Adorners, so I'm gonna have my plate. And apparently the puppies love this too. You can hear Chico actually finishing it up. I'm not sure why Chick-fil-A took the carrot raisin salad off of the menu, but it's, like I said, it's a perfect pairing for summertime grilled, grilled fish, grilled chicken, grilled steak, chops, whatever. And that's them saying they want to go outside. And isn't that something? They know how to press the bell if they want to go outside. Anyway, so this is something that you can have, and it's not really expensive, and it can feed a lot of people. So I'm gonna enjoy eating my salad. Anyway, as always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I'm your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.